জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Come on.
He only cares about Nayan.
Come along. Come this way.
I hope you get it by now. Your drama will no longer dupe Tripto. So stop your act and start walking. No one will be holding your hand.
That's all right. Let the doctor confirm the truth first. I'll make you regret your haughtiness after that. Then let's see.
Piku, what did you just say? Even before today, you saw her raising her hand to me. Today, the whole incident occurred in front of you. You'll still be silent just because she's your mother?
What else did you expect? Don't you know what will happen to him if I withdraw my support?
Shame on you, Piku. I may be a fool, but you are timid. You are a coward. You won't even protest against injustice because she's your mother.
Yes, he won't protest. If he does, I will withdraw my support for him. Got it? He will be in danger, so he has to keep his mouth shut.
No, Mom. No. I do not remain silent for that reason. I remain silent because I respect you, Mom. Or else I should have protested long before. It should have been the day when you asked me to stay away from Rangna because you didn't want to be a grandmother.
What are you saying, Piku?
It's true, Mom. Mom, you are well aware that Rangna wasn't able to be a mother because you didn't approve of it. Mom, even she respected your wish. She has been silent for so long just because of you. But Mom, Rangna is my wife. She's like a daughter to you. It pains me to see you try to raise your hands against her.
You dare argue back to me, Piku? You're pointing fingers at me. Well then. Well, I don't need any of you. Not a single one of you at all.
No, Mom. I'm not pointing fingers. But Mom...
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet.
Mom, listen to me, Mom.
I don't want to hear anything. I've heard all of it and understood everything. From today on, I will consider that I have no children. I'm alone. I'm
Mom.
all alone. Leave
Mom,
me.
listen. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, what did I do? Rangana. Rangana, Mom's crying, Rangana. She's crying because of me. Oh, no. Mom.
Piku!
Oh, Lotus Vishalakshi, I have no idea what's going on inside. Oh, Lotus, will everything be all right? Jeet, hasn't the doctor or Jasmine exited the examination room yet?
Nayan, why are you being so impatient? Please calm down and sit.
Yes, Nayan. Why are you so scared? What's there to be afraid of?
Actually, it's about the test results.
Nayan, the people who are afraid of the test results are those who don't have a clue about them. I don't think you should be worried about it. And Nayan, why should we be scared? We are already aware of the outcome. You'll see. The doctor will confirm that Jasmine isn't pregnant. Don't worry so much, believe me.
Come. Have a seat. You have to be very careful from now on. The initial period is very, very sensitive. Take proper medication as per the prescription and follow the regulations for the baby's sake.
Doctor, what did you say? For whose sake are you talking about?
For the babies. She's expecting. She's an expectant mother, and a mother should prioritize her unborn child.
I am pregnant with Dripto's child, Mrs. Basu. When the doctors chosen by you will confirm my pregnancy, then you will have to be the one to get me married to Dripto.
And a mother should prioritize her unborn child.
Then you will have to be the one to get me married to Dripto.
Nayan,
Nayan! Nayan!
be careful.
By the way, are you her husband?
No. I'm not related to her, but who exactly are you?
What do you mean by that? I'm a doctor.
You are a fake doctor. Did you fake your degree to become a doctor?
What's this? What nonsense are you saying?
I'm absolutely correct. She bribed you, didn't she? You're bluffing us because of her bribe. I'll lodge a complaint against you.
Exactly. We'll make sure that you cannot carry on the fraud in this city.
Dripto, Jeet, please calm down, please.
All right. Go and lodge a complaint. You can do whatever you want. I've been practicing medicine for quite a long time. Who the heck are you people to call my degrees to be fake?
I'll repeat myself. You don't know a single thing about being a doctor.
Now I'll sue you people for defamation.
I beg you, please calm down, doctor. They're only speaking out of anger. Please calm yourself. All of us are aware of your reputation, but doctor, even you can make a mistake, right? And please examine Jasmine one more time, doctor. I am telling you, you are probably mistaken, doctor. Doctor, she can't be pregnant.
You're making strange claims. The urine test report is positive. I can even hear the baby's heartbeat. And you're claiming that I'm mistaken?
You made a mistake. I repeat that you made a mistake.
I'll tell you what, I don't feel like speaking to any of you. Still, I assure you, I did not make a mistake. She is pregnant.
No, I don't believe you, doctor. Is there any proof that Jasmine did not conspire with you in secret?
My goodness, you have started making absurd accusations.
Nayan, why are you behaving in such manner? If you don't accept the truth, the blame will fall on the unborn child. But is it fair to blame the child? I understand that you lost her sight, but don't let that darken your heart too. I know that you have absolute trust in Dripto, but even he can make a mistake, can't he? And how can I pass it as a mistake? The fact that we were so close in that very moment and the situation.
Jasmine!
Piku, listen to me. Why are you turning your back on me? Won't you think about me for once?
I'm sorry, Rangana. I can't take a stand against mom.
You're saying it despite knowing that your mom is wrong.
What can I do? She takes action for the sake of our well-being. She's always done everything for us. I cannot leave my mom alone. She's already non-existent to Jeet. What do you want, Rangana? Even me? No, Rangana. I can't let this happen. I already argued back to her with a lot of strong words today. Then she had to shed tears because of me. I must apologize to her. I have to.
Hey, Sanjukta? Hey, what's the matter? Why are you crying?
Vicky, everything has fallen apart, all of it.
Mom, please don't say such things. I accept that I made a mistake and it will never happen again. Mom, I promise you, Mom. I will never argue with you again. Please, Mom, please.
Vicky, ask him to leave. I can't stand his hypocrisy.
Piku, why don't you just leave right now?
Uncle, you don't even know anything. And yet you are asking me to leave.
Yes, I'm doing so because I value Sanjukta's word the most.
Vicky, even being my brother, you are more thoughtful than my own children. I spared no efforts for them. I did everything for their sake so that they get their shares. And yet at the end, do I have to be accountable for my actions? Is this what I deserve now?
What a shame. Does Sanjukta deserve this in the end? But Sanjukta, what did Piku do?
What can he do? It was I who did everything. When I'm finally able to close in on owning the property so that they can have their shares right at that moment. At that moment, I am betrayed.
No, Mom. I didn't betray you, Mom. Mom, I'm telling you, I never betrayed you, Mom. I promise you, Mom. I won't take a step without your consent from now on. Mom, I'll act according to your wishes now.
Will you do as I say?
I'll do exactly as you say. Tell me.
Can you divorce Rangana? Will you get married again?
Mom.
Driptos, please calm down. Please don't create a fuss.
Venting your anger will not help you, Dripto. Even if you deny the truth to protect your image, you can't prevent the baby from being born.
Exactly. Even I think that you people have some internal problems. However, Mr. Dripto, the truth is that she is pregnant. And whether you people believe it or not, it really doesn't matter to me.
Doctor, you sound so confident about it. It's a sin to lie, so if you...
Look, I'm a doctor. Any sin or any virtue, I don't need to know about that. And if you don't believe my words, then you can examine her yourself.
No, how would that help? No matter how hard you try, it is not the truth. Why should Nayan examine her when it's not even true? Nayan won't examine her. She won't!
Are you scared, Dripto?
Jasmine, you...
Dripto, leave it. Let's depart from here. Nayan, come along. Let's leave now. We'll consult some other doctor. We'll talk to some other doctor. Come on, let's leave now.
Nayan, Jeet is absolutely right. We'll consult another doctor. Let's leave.
No, Dripto.
No. What do you mean?
Dripto, since there's a way to test it, I will myself examine her.
Nayan, do you want to examine her now? Don't you trust my words? Don't you have faith in me?
Yes, I have faith in you. That's why I need to prove to everyone that my faith isn't misplaced. That is why I will examine her, Dripto.
This turned out so well. If Nayan gets to hear the baby's heartbeat along with mine, she won't be able to distrust me anymore. All her faith and trust in Dripto will be rendered useless.
Nayan and only Nayan. You should be concerned only about that. Let go of the rest of the notions. You know, like matters regarding Piku's divorce. Sanjukta, you should concentrate only on whether Nayan succeeded in proving that Jasmine's pregnancy is fake. Is Jasmine's pretense exposed to Nayan?
I can't understand Jasmine's ways, Vicky. She's well aware that she isn't pregnant. Then how could she so willingly visit the doctor to get examined? How could she be so confident? How will she handle a totally unknown doctor?
I can't comprehend it. I can't comprehend it. Jasmine assured us that the property would be ours and Dripto would be hers. However, if Jasmine is really pregnant, then Dripto will automatically belong to her. Because Dripto will be forced to marry her. Then what will we gain? Nothing.
But we... What are you still here for? Leave at once.
Can't I even partake in your discussions?
No, you can't. You can't anymore. You've lost that right. If you can carry out what I have asked you to, if you can divorce Rangana, only then will you be allowed to lend an ear to our plans.
Mom.
No more arguments, Piku. Show me your face only if you can do what I have asked you to, or else get out of my sight.
What should I do now? The situation has gotten even more complex. How will I handle it now?
Hold this potion. Take it. Place it right over her stomach. Put the earpieces inside your ear and listen to the baby's heartbeat. Okay?
Lotus, Vishalakshi. Please don't let me hear anything unpleasant. Please don't.
What are you waiting for, Nayan? Place the stethoscope on my stomach, please. Give it to me. I'll help you.
Hey, open the door! Open the door! Please, someone open the door! Open the door! Is somebody there? Please open the door! What? There's a snake? How come a snake is here?
No!
Nayan, what happened? What happened? Nayan, what's the matter?
What happened? Why did Nayan get so scared?
Nayan, please don't stay quiet. Why did you scream no? That means you didn't feel the presence of the child in Jasmine's womb, right? Nayan, speak up. Please speak up.
Whom did I see? Why did I have such a vision right after confirming the presence of Jasmine's child? What connection does that man have with Jasmine's child?
Nayan, why did you scream? Tell me. Nayan, did you see anything?
That man must have some kind of connection with Jasmine's child. And that man is in imminent danger. I must save him from the danger. I also have to know what connection he has with Jasmine's child. I must know it at all costs. But how can it be made possible? I couldn't even see his face. What could I have done if I got to see it? Oh Lourdes, I have lost my sight. Dear Lord, how will I be able to save that man?
Nayan, I've been asking you for so long. Tell me what you saw and what you understood. Tell me.
Oh Lord, seems like Nayan's blindness made no difference. Her divine power is intact. What did she see? Did she learn the truth somehow?
Nayan, tell me, please tell me.
Look, I can't stand this anymore. Please tell me what you saw.
I saw Jasmine putting a garland around Dripto's neck in a bridal attire.